Okay, here's another example. This one is the one that you actually had on the practice test we took together. All right, so we're going to multiply the denominator by, remember you're going to do you're going to do the square root of 11 and the square root of 2. So it's going to be the same thing. Your sign is just going to be different. So we're going to multiply by the same thing at the top. So the square root of 11 minus the square root of 2. Then you do the FOIL method. So for the top, that's going to be the square root of 11 times the square root of 11, which is the square root of 121. And that's going to be minus the square root of 22, because 2 times 11 is 22, or 11 times 2. All right, now take this one, multiply it. That's going to be minus the square root of 22 plus the square root of 4. On the bottom, square root of 121 minus the square root of 22 plus the square root of 22 minus the square root of 4. Now we're ready to simplify and combine like terms. The square root of 121 is 11. This here is just like saying negative x minus x, which is negative 2 times the square root of 22, and that's plus 2. All of that is square root of 21, which is 11. The two middle terms cancel out, and that's going to be minus 2, because the square root of 4 is 2. Now we're ready to combine like terms. So 11 plus 2 is 13. So that's 13 minus 2 times the square root of 22 over 9. And that's as far as we can go there because you can't simplify. 9 is a prime number, 13 is prime, and 2 is prime. So the only factor of those numbers is 1. So in other words, there's no number that you can divide into all three of those that will simplify them. That's your answer.